Hello class, this is Coach Angel with Flipany today. Today we're going to do a seed experiment. Before we start a seed experiment, we need a fruit of some sort, a cup with a little bit of water in it, a coffee filter or a paper towel. You're going to need a marker or Sharpie, a Ziploc bag of some sort, and a plate. So, the first thing that we're going to do before we start any experiment involving food is make sure that you wash your hands very well with soap and water. And then if you have any gloves, please use them as well. You'll need something to cut the fruit with, so make sure you cut it up nice and good. I took the liberty of cutting my fruit already into nice pieces. So I have an apple, as you see. And now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the filter or paper towel, depending on what you use. Make sure that it's able to open and it's not torn or anything like that. Yeah, pour a little bit of water onto the plate. Make sure you get the filter completely soaked in water. Squeeze out any excess liquid, and then once you're done, you can open it up. It might be a little difficult to do, but once you get it open, you can put the seeds that you got from your chopped up fruit. Make sure that you didn't get any broken ones. Make sure they're all whole and seem like they're in good condition. You will place them into your filter, folding it over, and make sure they're nice and evenly spaced throughout the paper. Once you're done with that, you can fold it over nice and easy, and then once you fold, you place it into the Ziploc bag. Now, by doing so, make sure you close the Ziploc bag, I'd say about 90% of the way. That way you leave a little bit open so the seeds can breathe oxygen. And once you're done with that, you can store it somewhere safe and about room temperature with some sunlight. And as well, make sure to label your seeds, the type of seeds that you have. And also, you want to make sure to write down the date. Make sure you know when you started this experiment so you can see the growth over time. Once you finish all of this stuff, you will make sure it's somewhere safe, and then just check on it regularly on a daily basis so you can see the seedlings sprout, and then you can go ahead with the experiment. Also, if you have leftover fruit from the seed experiment and you don't want to eat it normally, you want to be more fun with it, you can. So you can make something called a fruit pizza. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need a couple of ingredients. You need toppings. So for example, I use a pineapple. You're going to need a base for the pizza, such as a watermelon, and you can use the fruit you were chopping earlier as well, like my case, the apple. Now, you chop everything very carefully, and also make sure to wash your hands and use gloves if possible. Once you're done with chopping up, you place all your toppings on the base. In my case, the watermelon is the slices itself, and then the apple and the pineapple are the toppings. So this is actually really good, fun experiment to do. It actually tastes really good. So just to give it a try, it's, as you expect, a little bit sweet, so you can try different toppings, but most of all, enjoy it.